Long ago, after the Great Flood, the world was silent again. Humanity had been given a second chance. People lived together. They spoke one language. They shared one dream. But instead of asking God what to build, they decided to build something that would make them famous. They said, "Let us build a tower so tall it reaches the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, so the world will never forget us." This wasn't about bricks. It was about pride. They weren't trying to reach God. They were trying to replace Him. Day after day, brick after brick, the tower grew taller. So did their arrogance. They began to believe, "We are powerful. We are unstoppable. We don't need God anymore." But God saw something dangerous. When people unite under pride, they don't create heaven. They create destruction. So God didn't destroy the tower. He did something far more powerful. He changed their language. Suddenly, the man asking for bricks was given water. The builder asking for tools was met with silence. Voices filled the air, but no one understood anyone. Confusion spread. Frustration grew, and the tower stopped. Not because the structure was weak, but because their unity was broken. And that is the real lesson. Anything built on pride will eventually fall, but anything built with God will always stand. The Tower of Babel was never destroyed. It was abandoned. Because when people try to build life without God, they always walk away empty. And that question still remains today. Are you building your life to glorify yourself, or to honor the one who gave you life? Because one path leads to confusion, and the other leads to purpose. If this story made you think, if it touched your heart, subscribe to this channel. Because here we don't just tell stories, we build lives.